Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up stop loss in TD Ameritrade. So what you need to do is open Swim, launch the platform and log in your account. Second step is to place your trade. While entering a new order, click on Trade tab and select the asset you want to trade. Under the order entry screen, click Advanced Order and select First Triggers OCO. This allows you to set both a stop loss and take profit order alongside your main trade. After you chosen first triggers OCO, enter your stop price, the price which you want to stop the stop loss to trigger. And lastly, review your settings and click on confirm and send to place your order. So that's how you can set stop loss in TD Ameritrade. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.